Hello everybody, my name is John, thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be speaking about my best-selling design. Okay, it's actually a problem I've been having with my best-selling design, and I'm wondering if anyone else is having the same problem. So recently, my best-selling design that was selling easily once a day, every day, has stopped selling. For the last couple of days it hasn't had a sale, and I'm not 100% sure why. Has this ever happened to anyone? Their best selling design, especially if it's selling every single day, has just stopped selling. Well, it's happened to me recently, and this is the second time this has happened. The first time, of course, was my fault. It was a kind of copyrighted term that I used in a keyword, so that design had got taken down, and I believe that copyright keyword was probably what was driving the sales initially to my shirt. So that had been taken down. However, I've got another design that was doing extremely well, and now it's stopped selling. The only thing that I'd actually done was increase the royalty ever so slightly. In fact, it was only by 50 cent. Yeah, 50 cent, not the rapper. I increased the royalty with 50 cent and it stopped selling. So what I actually done was I put it back down to where it was, and now it's not there at all. I mean, obviously the design's still live on Amazon, but it's not getting any traffic. And now when I'm actually searching it on Amazon.com search results, it's coming up like maybe the 4th page, but it was always number 1. When I typed in the specific keywords, this was number 1 for a long time. It got to 100,000 BSR. I'm pretty sure it actually dipped below that at a point. Now it's well over 1 million, and it's not been seen at all. I'm not sure exactly what's happening. However, I believe it's because, well, it's due to just increasing the royalty. I don't know if Amazon changes things, maybe because it's effectively you're changing some form of metadata when it's only obviously just a price, but it's still a form of metadata, and this has an impact on your listing. Of course, people are going to be less obliged to buy your design if it's a higher royalty, but it was only by 50 cents, so it wasn't a particularly high royalty, and it wasn't a particularly high royalty to begin with. I was only earning something like $2 from this design. So I put it up by 50 cents so that I'd make probably about, I think it was like $2.35 or something. It wasn't a lot, but now I can't see it at all. Like, it's just not selling in the slightest. So I'm wondering if anyone else is having this problem. Something else that I believe may have affected this listing is because I put some variants up on it, but the variants are like much further back. Don't get me wrong, when I actually entered this design initially, it wasn't a lot of competition. Then obviously it started selling. It showed up on Merck Informer. Of course, what happens is there's a lot of copycat designs out there, and these copycat designs have now, that's fairly new, are actually overtaking my design. And obviously it's because of their price, that they're basically not making any form of royalties at all, and then they'll slowly bring them up. That's sort of what I did. I didn't put it to the point where I wasn't making any royalties. I put it to the point where I was making maybe $1.50, and then increased it to $2. It was still doing pretty well. And I tried to increase it again, and this has obviously had a severe impact on my design. And not just that, it's had a severe impact on my sales, because this was kind of like my little golden nugget. It was my way of ensuring a sale every single day. I am reaching nearly 300 designs up now, and I'm not really getting anywhere very fast. Like, I can't see a great deal of progression. I think obviously when this one had been not knocked off, it's still live, but the fact that it's not getting any sales now, this has obviously had a very adverse effect on my account. But we just need to keep the chin up, so to speak, and just keep plodding on. But I'm just wondering if anyone's had this problem, like, because I don't really know if I can do another design like that. I mean, I'm making designs every single day. I just listed 35 designs today, all manual designs, all different designs with their own niches, but I don't think they'll even touch that one that I made, and well, hopefully I'm wrong. I mean, I think that's probably what you're hoping for every design you put up, is one's going to fly. We all know that a lot of them aren't going to sell, but you're hoping at least, if you're putting up 30 designs, you're hoping at least 3 of them will be a consistent seller. Whereas I'm having a different problem. I could put up 100 designs and be lucky to sell 3 of them. And the truth is, I think my designs are good, and I do know how to use my keywords. I'm very, very good with keywords. I do sell on Amazon, FBA, etc., eBay, all that sort of stuff. I do understand keyword research and long tail keywords, etc. However, I just can't seem to find these profitable niches that people are jumping to. But I am trying to keep it as evergreen as possible. I don't want to jump on trends because I just don't believe in it's not very scalable. It's something that's going to run out very quickly. Although I have been dabbling with some holiday ones. Obviously it's the season to be jolly, but I haven't actually had any sales for that either. So I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing and get up to 500 designs hopefully very, very soon. I'm looking to get 500 designs up for the end of November, preferably before then. But it just depends how much time I've got to actually spend on it. But I'm just hoping that some of these designs have become like very, very good high flying designs, because as it stands right now, I'm not really getting anywhere quickly. In fact, when I was at tier 100, I was probably making the same amount of sales, maybe a bit less, but not a great deal more sales than what I'm making right now. I'm not trying to bust anyone's bubble with this. This is just my experience. I know that some people are absolutely killing it right now, but it's quite disheartening when you're at Q4 and people's accounts are absolutely killing it, and they're in the same tier as me, but I just seem to be having problem after problem after problem after problem. And obviously it's just obviously my designs. Of course, like, I did have a design, as I says, that was doing very, very well, and for some reason or other it's just stopped. And I do believe it's because, well, the only thing I'd actually done was I put 2 variants up, which was just different card variants. It was actually just it was the same design, the same colour. It was different coloured t-shirts. So one's obviously a lighter variant, one's a darker variant, one's kind of just the mid, just your common colours, the black and the navy and the headers. And those ones are the ones that you usually sold, and I've not had a sale from any of the other ones. And since putting them up and increasing the royalty, then decreasing the royalty back to what it was, it's just kind of stopped it dead. Anyway, guys, as I says, I was just wondering if anyone's having this problem. If you do have this problem and you have actually found a solution, I'd be very happy to know what the solution for this was. Or do you just give up? Just joking, never give up. Anyway, guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. That's going to be me for today. Please leave a like if you enjoy my content and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. See you later.